In the Kingdom of Eldoria, peace reigns under the wise King Aric, who rules with wisdom and love. But King Aric knows that peace can't last forever. Dark times are on the way.
One night, a dark sorcerer named Malgor arrives, challenging the king with a dangerous quest.
King Aric gathers his advisors, seeking a way to defeat the sorcerer. It's not strength that will win this battle, but wisdom. I must outsmart him. The challenge begins, but it's a battle of wits, not weapons.
Malgor creates illusions, trying to trick the king, but Aric sees through them.
Malgor sends a fiery serpent, but Aric's wisdom breaks the spell. Malgor traps Aric in a cage of dark magic. The kingdom holds its breath.
But Aric knows that kindness holds a power stronger than any magic. With wisdom, kindness, and a heart open to change, peace is restored to the kingdom. The past fades away, and a new future begins.